Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're working on this F31 BMW 320D. Gonna be doing oil, air filter, cabin filter service, obviously oil filter as well. Not doing glow plugs or anything like that. Just a quick little service. So yeah, we'll get on with taking this air filter out. I think it's just a pull pins or something here. Get the air filter out.
That one's... I don't know.
Oh, that one comes out. It's like got a little curve on it. You probably just... Oh, Jesus Christ, they're tight. They're flattered or something on there, one sec.
So bring the key back.
On the back, yeah.
Yeah.
Four clips. There we go, you get the air filter out. Can you pull that out or?
It's on the... If we undo that...
But this...
No.
Oh, the... And you just undo that little hose clamp there.
If I can get on it.
Right, so we've unclipped that. Take the filter out. It's pretty decent, I mean... Was that not even connected?
Don't believe so.
Doesn't look broken.
That's good then.
Copper grease around it. Yeah, I mean this wasn't changed that long ago, but we're just doing it for peace of mind. Plus it looks like it's a Drive Tech.
Oh yeah, it's all Drive Tech special.
Yeah, Drive Tech special, so it's not very decent. What have we got? We got Febby, haven't we?
Yeah, 1 second.
Right, got the new air filter. Hold that up there. Nice, fitted properly. Pull that back. Make sure we connect them two hoses properly.
Probably have to put that in first somewhere.
Yeah. Get this clip back up. Air filter done. Move on to the cabin filter. You're in an interesting position there. Two 10mm bolts just under here.
There's a cigarette lighter here.
Is there?
Yeah.
Can't really show you. Show you in a minute. Right, just remove them two 10mm. Back in the car, can you see it, can you?
Yeah. 2 Torxes, I think. What do we use?
We'll see what size they are. Right, he's removed it. It was smashed to pieces for some reason. It's a little dirty, not terrible. Another Drive Plus swing. Got the Febby there. Two 25mm Torx, T25 Torx. So we'll get the new one in now. Just make sure it goes in the right direction. Put the old one back. This is a nice carbon one as well, of those things. Just pull out the wrapper 1 sec. Now you just close that cap over and screw it back in. Just show you where this was because we didn't really record it the best. Basically 2 little 10mm there. Unscrew them, then you pull it down. See the cigarette lighter there, you just unclip that. And then right at the back there where Grant showed you, there's 2 Torx, 2 25 Torx in the cabin filter housing. Right, we've got it jacked up our axle as well. We've took down that little cover there, just a little flatted, and then there's the sump plugs in there. So we're just going to quickly find out what size it is. And we're going to drain all the oil, and we should be good to go. Right, so that was a 17mm, see it draining there. So 17mm bolt, sump plug. Just let that drain out, and we'll get the filter done now. Right, let's get the filter out. Just in here. Make some room. There we go. Right, that's a 27mm socket. So we've just untightened that. Should be able to just drain it. Got this little pot here to put it in. very nice. Tiny little filters, aren't there?
Apparently.
It is. So we've got the other filter there. We'll change that over. Put a new seal on it. New O-ring. Put a new copper washer on this one. Right, oil filter's in. It's got a locator pin, so we pushed that in first. And we just hand screw it on all the way, then we use the tool. Don't forget to tighten the sump plug back down with a new crush washer. I've just done that now with a 17mm. Torqued it to hand spec. Torqued it good and tight. Now you just go put that little flat thing back up, and then we can fill it with some liquid molly.
I feel like because you properly seal it before on the sides.
Right, so we've just emptied the old oil into a 5 litre tub. Just putting the new oil in now. Nice liquid molly, treat it. Engine's on 160k, isn't it?
161.
161k, so nice to treat it. Right, we'll just fill it up and then we'll check the levels and see if we can start it.
This is
Right, we've just filled it with some oil. We're just checking the dipstick. It seems good. So we'll just give it a start, let it run for 20 seconds, knock it off, let it settle, and then check the oil again, and it should be spot on. Yeah, it's just below max in it, but when you let it run through that filter and that. Right, we'll quickly let it run for a second and then look at the filter after. Look at the dipstick after. Alright guys, that's all sorted now. We've got that all wrapped up. It's running spot on. Good clean service. Oil level spot on, so we're good to go. Thanks for watching guys, hope it helped.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.